Hey YouTube, we're also doing a bathroom and I just thought I'll show you all the things we got to do. This is an absolute schmozzle of a bathroom, one of the hardest ones I've done, to be honest, or most work intensive I should say, not the hardest but the most work intensive. It's all solid brick walls, and it's a very high-end bathroom. So what the vanity used to be here in the center with a dividing wall, and the shower used to be behind it, and now we're going to move it over here to the left. So you can probably see all the chasing, and it's going to have plumbing in the wall with stone bench tops, stone splashback, mirror cupboards. Really expensive reno, this one. Bathtub over there. The bathtub alone is costing about $8,000 just the bathtub. The tap was about $3,000 to $4,000 for the bathtub. So yeah, really expensive renovation, this one. The step down here, I don't know if you can see that, is where it's going to be a double shower, and there'll be one shower head, two shower heads, two mixers, and also a niche in the middle there. And the reason why I've got this all chased here is because the main pipe is down below here, which it goes to the toilet there, which is a 100mm silver pipe. So what we've got to do is, now that used to be where the existing vanity used to be connected to, and it runs there and then connects into the 100mm pipe. So what we have to do now is run a 100mm pipe all the way, and then 40mm up into the vanity, and same over there, run a 40mm up into the other vanity, the double vanity. So, and then also we're going to have a nice skylight up here. It's going to be a huge skylight, nice and long from side to almost from one end of the room to the other, and it's going to be framed on both sides and then plastered up into it, and all you're going to see, there'll be no frame, it'll just be glass on the actual ceiling where the roof tiles are. So all those wires have to be moved, obviously, and yeah, it's going to be a really cool looking bathroom. So when it's done, I'll send you some happy snaps, and you can let me know what you think of it. Yeah, so again, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, we'll see you next time.